Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Talent Traders, myself Bala here, and I welcome you all to my channel. And this video we are going to discuss about the Google Sheet and some doubts. Those who are my student and those who are already using the Google Sheet, they are having some doubts that I'm going to clear in this video. And also by last week, we have only one day for the weekly sheet, and we got some trade opportunities in Tata Power and Tata Chemical. So these are all the two stocks which we find out based on our breakout. So 225 call option. 13.2 is our entry point in Tata Power, and Tata Chemical initially it was 74, and long term it was trading on the same level. So finally it reaches the target. Okay, so what going to be updated? So for the next week, we are going to get updated the sheet for the next week, and monthly positional. So those who are asking, is it's still same. Okay, and whatever the values which is shown here, it's not a right value. So based on our concept, we are not concentrating on expiry days. We are going to take the monthly beginning or month ends. Okay, so the July contract is already expired, but the next month stock, that is what August, which is going to be start on 1st of August. Whatever our charting scanners for this strategy which I have already provided you, that is going to be update from the 1st of August only, and the monthly sheet also is going to be updated on 1st of August, not by week. Okay, so this temporary sheet also yesterday, that was only one day trading which you are talking about. So lot of stocks which given you entry 20%, 25% it increased. So but the main drawback about I'm testing this on live back test, and live testing I'm doing this strategy, and what is happening here, many trades. Okay, that is not possible to take in an intraday. So maybe here almost 15-20 stocks in a day. That's not a traceable and trackable also. So we are planning still. This monthly sheet is not yet updated. Okay, so this temporary, sorry, monthly is going to be updated on 1st of August. Okay, so weekly positional is already updated. Let I show you, and only one day. So anyone who are holding the positions, we are already recommend that were not holding. So Tata Power is the only one which we find out 222.5. That is what I call strike price. Around 13 is our entry point. 13 which is triggered on weekly position. I'm not talking about a temporary weekly position 13.2. So maybe our 13.2 which triggers around in the range of 11 to 11.15, and then it went up to 19, finally closed by 17.4. So almost it achieved our target in a day. And the second Tata Chemical 990 call option, that is also be yesterday's trigger. Apart from that, we can't able to find out any stocks, and we don't get it. And this one is 74. After triggering that 74, it was a very narrow after a long time. So after closing, after 1:32 o'clock, it started moving up. So these are all the two trades which we find out based on our weekly sheet study, and monthly sheet still remaining same. So look at this monthly weekly sheet which I'm going to update today. So that is going to be valid from 31st July to 4th of August for the August contract. Okay, so but our monthly sheet is going to be start updating from 1st of August only. The temporary sheet you don't need to worry about it because it is about testing basis. When once the testing is completed, look at this, yesterday 48 stock which is triggered, only one day, right? So that we have updated on Friday. On Friday, 48 stocks which is in call side, almost 19 stocks in a put side. How to find out? That is what a major question, and a very tough one. So we have to update. So once it is ready, the system is ready, how to filter out the stocks from this list, then we can use this strategy for our intraday or even a positional strategy. Okay, so let I'm going to update the weekly sheet. Once I update weekly entries and temporary for my study, these two entries will be added, and monthly positional it will be going to be updated Monday evening or Tuesday morning. But 1st of August, then we can find out the new opportunities based on our Google Sheet by monthly basis. I hope you understood. So let me start and this one, how the data is updating. Let me check this. I'm going to run this one. This is for next week update. Next 1 week, 30th to 30th July to I think 31st. No? So from 31st July to 4th of August. That is what the data which we are going to focus for. And we are going to weekly new update. There is a fresh contract. If you are going to focus a fresh trade opportunity based on our advanced option strategy concept, we can focus these stocks. In the top stocks only you can focus. Already how to use the Google Sheet that I have already mentioned in my videos on my YouTube channel, and also in my website, which the content which is available to trade monthly options, how to trade with a Google Sheet. It's a 99 rupees content. So if you are ready to take that content, you can take, and then if you want to use the Google Sheet, then you can make use of it. Okay, as of now, so everything is started updating. So once the update is complete, so you will be getting the data for weekly positional and temporary. Monthly positional will not be changed. It will be going to change only on 1st of August only, because we are not using expiry basis. So you are as one questions I want to make you understand. So whatever the stock Tata Power, okay. So the Tata Power equity price which is trading around 235.1, and the same time Tata Power, let me go for option chain, that would be better. So option chain. So you can see the Tata Power which is trading around 237, sorry, 34.65 is the spot price, but the future price is always 3 rupees higher. It is trading with the premium. Okay. So here it is increased 6%. This is also be 6.58 and 6.2. So you can see there is a difference between the spot and future. Okay. So and also date, expiry date, which will be vary, but the spot price doesn't have expiry. So all the future and options contract are settled by the spot price. Okay. So we are using the spot price. So that is why we are always focusing from first of those months, not for a expiry week, expiry days. So if I'm going to go for a monthly chart on this particular stock, so this is what a monthly chart. So here expiry which is happening on the stock is around 27th of July, but still the monthly candle is running. When the monthly candle, the next month contract, next month candle monthly basis will be start, it will be on 1st of August. So if you are taking a days close, that means a daily. So look at this. This is what the 27th closing price of the stock is 220 as per the contract, that is the future expiry. But as per the spot, now it is 234. Okay, so if you are checking a monthly chart, it will be showing a monthly closing price would be 234, not for a 220, because expiry close is 220. Here it is showing you 234. Even if tomorrow the stock decrease or increase, and tomorrow what is the closing price, that should be the exact closing price of the month, and every month contract will be started on the day. So June 1st and May 1st, so April 3rd. So according to this, the starting July 3rd, because that is the first day of the month. So this month which is started from, and closing is depends on, it is showing you the only opening date, closing date is the next closing date is the end of the month. So as per this concept, so that is why we are always focusing a spot based trading. So this is what our based on our advanced strategy, we are focusing only spot based only, not a future based. So we always select monthly basis only, not a weekly, sorry, not a expiry basis. So expiry if you are taken, so you may be getting extra time. There is a bigger contract, but that was not related to the charts. Okay, so we are using monthly chart based on that. So that is why we simply use the monthly closing price. Okay, so we need to wait for a monthly closing price. So 31st July is the monthly closing for July contract. Whatever the exact closing price tomorrow, that is what the monthly closing price of July. 1st of August, the contract will be changed as per our scanners, that charting scanners which you are using for advanced strategy. That is also going to be updated from 1st of August only. Okay, so the sheet is updated right now. So these are all the stocks. Now the sheet is exactly updated for a weekly positioning as well as temporary. So you can see in temporary it is based on the settlement price. We are calculating from the last traded price. Most of the option last traded price and settlement price may vary. Okay, so I will show you in this case. what is the MCX 1680. I'll open a NS India website. Maybe it is not opening. NS India, if it is open, MCX. Why that will happen? Will be right back. I think, yeah, it is open. Okay, so this is what a LTP and a settle price. That is the issue so we are facing right now. So that is why so a lot of stocks, but you have to focus only after market open. That would be a right one. Okay, so this is what a concept which you have used, and the weekly sheet is perfectly updated. Temporary sheet is for a testing basis, that is also updated, and monthly sheet still remaining same. It is going to be updated tomorrow evening only. Okay, so if you are an advanced option strategy student, so maybe this month you can focus. Last month, a lot of opportunities, more than 25, 30 stocks, which are triggered our target. 4 stocks achieved hit our stop loss. Overall, such a good month last month. And if you are following this, and if you want to access this sheet, it is about 1,200 per month. It is a stock option scanner. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more of it. Thank you.